What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best AV receivers in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices, like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Our pick of the most powerful, feature-packed integrated amplifiers dish out remarkable sound when paired with any compatible TV, and will take your audio involvement to a level that you've never experienced in your living room. The inclusion of popular technologies like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X only increases their value, along with 8K capability and HDMI eARC. Buying something as complex and multi-talented as an AV receiver can be overwhelming to a casual consumer, so if you're serious about transforming your sound output into something more theater-like, start educating yourself on the necessities by familiarizing yourself with how to choose the best AV receiver for you towards the end of this guide. Our pick of the best AV receivers will help you do home cinema right. All our audio products are tested by experts in domestic conditions at home just as you would experience them. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Marantz 8K Ultra HD AV Receiver. Extensively tuned by Marantz sound masters at the most state-of-the-art facilities to deliver an exquisite sonic signature. No component leaves the hands of the Marantz sound masters until it passes rigorous testing. Refine your home theater experience with the new Marantz SR5015 stereo receiver, 100WX7, with advanced 8K HDMI upscaling for extraordinary visuals and superb sound quality. Enjoy all your entertainment in the highest quality formatting. Screen movies in 8K with 8K/60Hz pass-through or upscaling with HDMI technologies like dynamic HDR and quick media switching, QMS, to eliminate video delay. 6 HDMI in, 2 out, HDCP 2.3 compliant, dedicated 8K input, USB port, phono and aux inputs, with analog and digital inputs for audio sources like DVD and Blu-ray player, subwoofer and speakers for a cohesive surround sound system. Supports Dolby Atmos, Dolby Atmos Height Virtualization, DTS-X and DTS Virtual X that delivers a premium, lifelike cinematic experience in a 2.1, 5.1 or 7.1 speaker setup, even without in-ceiling speakers. Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri or any smart home automation system use your voice to play, pause and stop music, and adjust volumes, as well as to control the thermostat, lights, and home appliances. Reasons to buy: great performance, excellent build quality, inclusion of a HDMI 2.1 input, huge list of extras and services. Reasons to avoid: no front HDMI input this year. HDMI 2.1 has problems with 4K at 120 Hz. No backlight on remote. A bit expensive. Number 2. Enon HD 92 channel AV receiver. Enjoy immersive surround sound with Dolby Atmos Height Virtualization and DTS Virtual X and crisp, clean picture with advanced video processing, 8K/60 Hz, and 4K/120 Hz pass-through. Enjoy a smooth, lag-free gaming experience with spectacular imaging, reduce lag and frame tearing with 4K/120 Hz pass-through, variable refresh rate, VRR, quick frame transport, QFT, and auto low latency mode, ALLM. Dynamic HDR and HDR10+. This 9.2 channel receiver delivers clarity, contrast and color, and quick media switching eliminates video delay. USB, 10 ports, 7 in/3 out, with HDCP 2.3 processing, digital in, phono input and network support with a range of wireless connections. Extend the reach of your music to any room in the house via Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2 or Bluetooth with Hayes multi-room wireless speakers like Denon Home series, without any extra hardware. Get hi-fi audio around your home with Pandora, Spotify, TuneIn and more. Reasons to buy: impressive sound quality, 11.2 channels of processing, extensive connections, flexible setup, solid build quality. Reasons to avoid: HDMI 2.1 limited to a single input. The remote lacks a backlight. No built-in tuner. Number 3. Sony 5.2 channel 4K HDR AV receiver. Enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows and more with theater-like sound in the comfort of your home. SForce Pro delivers virtual surround sound with only a 2-speaker setup. Stream music and use Bluetooth standby turn on the receiver from your phone. Multifunction system. Enjoy a multi-channel stereo setup, FM radio tuner and 1/4 inches headphone jack. 4 stereo audio inputs and 2 digital audio outputs, 1 optical and 1 coaxial. Receivers include a calibration microphone, FM wire antenna, remote control, batteries. Scroll down the catalog to find installation manual and user guide for troubleshooting steps. Reasons to buy: SForce Pro for the surround sound effect. Superb sound calibration. Compatible with 4K TVs. Enhanced HDR and Dolby Vision. Reasons to avoid: Wi-Fi can't be used to stream music to the receiver. Speaker output is not cancelled upon headphone plug-in. Number 4. Sony SRSD790 CH AV receiver. Enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows and more with theater-like sound in the comfort of your home. Dolby Atmos and DTS:X deliver multidimensional and object-based surround sound 4K HDR pass-through with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, and hybrid log gamma provides greater and clearer color, contrast, and brightness. 4in/1 out HDMI each and 1 optical, 1 coaxial digital and analog audio connections. Advanced D.C.A.C. analyzes and adjusts the audio for optimal sound in every room. Stream music and use Bluetooth standby turn on the receiver from your phone. SRSD790 Bluetooth receiver measures 5 1/4 inches tall to fit into most AV cabinets. Suppresses front panel noise to provide higher fidelity sound from all inputs. AV receivers include a calibration microphone, FM antenna, remote control and batteries. Reasons to buy: good sound performance. Bluetooth with AAC. Lowish entry cost. Reasons to avoid: spring clip speaker terminals. Not rated to drive 4 ohm loudspeakers. No networking or AM. Number 5. Denon S650 AV receiver. Featuring HLG, HDR10, BT.2020, wide color gamut and 4:4:4 pure color subsampling, the AVR S650H delivers exceptional brightness, contrast and color, thus enriching your movie and gaming experience. Full voice control compatibility with Amazon Alexa lets you sit back and enjoy music without having to reach out for the remote, adjust the volume, change the track, or switch the inputs absolutely hands-free. Award-winning on-screen setup assistant walks you through clear, simple instructions to connect your TV, specific EQ settings and helps you optimize your surround sound. Denon's legacy and Japanese precision technology makes it a must-have for your home. 4 quick select buttons on the front panel help you store your preferred audio settings for television, Blu-ray, and more, and allows you to switch between them quickly. Horizontally arranged in a color-coded scheme that lets you organize and connect speaker wires painlessly. Reasons to buy: Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD Master Audio, DTS HD High Resolution Audio. Reasons to avoid: no front wide channel support, no bi-amp capability, no Dolby Atmos. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.